Hey Keto fam, DJ Keto here. Thanks for joining me in today's video where I'll be doing a product review. And today we're making some fudge brownies. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. But first, bulletproof coffee. Alright guys, so the product we're reviewing today is Keto and Company Fudge Brownie Mix. It's the first time I'll be trying this. It says it's only about over 1 net carb per serving. One bag makes about 16 servings. Seems pretty easy to make, so let's whip it up. The ingredients we need are 3/4 cups of butter or 1.5 sticks melted, and 3 large eggs beaten. We need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease your 8x8 pan. Now I have my own brownie pan that I typically use. It's a little bit bigger than 8x8 and I just line it with parchment paper. We need to combine the brownie mix, the butter, and the eggs in a medium bowl and stir it until smooth. Spread your batter evenly in a greased pan. And then we'll bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Now that we got the brownies baking in the oven, just want to go over a few things. I would absolutely love to add some walnuts, pecans, or some chocolate chips, but since this is a product review and the first time I'm trying it, I like to just see how it tastes on its own. The main sugar that the mix uses is erythritol, and the main flour is coconut flour. I'm not a huge fan of coconut flour myself, mostly because of flavor, but this looks really good, it smells good, and I'm really excited to give it a try. Alright guys, brownies are done. Pull them out of the oven. I let them cool for a few hours actually, and they come out looking pretty good. They do look like fudge brownies. I prefer fudge brownies over cake brownies any day. Smells really good. I'm ready to give this a try. Ooh, super excited. That is really chocolatey. That's a brownie right there. It's dense. It's definitely a fudge brownie over cake brownie, which I absolutely prefer. I was talking about adding chocolate chips to this. Does not need chocolate chips. Very ooey gooey. I was talking about coconut flour earlier, how it's not my favorite. This totally works. Keto and Company, great job. This could use some keto ice cream. Let's go get some of that. I got some salted caramel ice cream. Delish. Yes. My review, Keto and Company, great job. This tastes terrific. And I also know that they have, I also have in my pantry a banana nut muffin mix. I'm going to give that a try and post a video, so stay tuned for that. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more food like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video, like the banana nut muffin video. Now I'm gonna finish this up.